Thank you for watching an episode of Stoner's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today we are reviewing the LEGO-compatible Halloween Advent Calendar. This will finish up the Halloween brick blitz we battled through October. Stay tuned at the end of this video for talk about whether shopping on Temu is right for you. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. We're trying to reach 250 subscribers by the end of November. On the Stoner's Reviews rock scale of hardness, 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, we give this kit a 4. There were 31 builds in this kit, each with its own instruction page. We found instructions easy to follow. On the back of the instructions are additional instructions on using the bricks to build a few larger builds. We did not attempt this. You might have realized that our channel doesn't typically review brand name LEGO kits because we realized that LEGO can't and wisely doesn't try and build and corner the market on brick constructions. For instance, they don't even try to make military hardware out of their bricks. That means there are many kits out there that expand the realm of brick creations that LEGO doesn't want to attempt. Stoner's Reviews is here to try out those other kits and let you know if they're worth your time and hard-earned money. The bricks in this kit performed well and at least approximated a LEGO quality construction experience. We had no missing pieces and no deformed pieces. The pieces went together easily and stayed together well. No glue was needed on any of the constructions. We liked many of these builds were very fun and made great creations. 6 of them were great, another 13 were pretty great, 7 were okay, and 4 we considered duds, including at least one we didn't even know what it was supposed to be. The kit would be fun for the whole family for ages 12 and above. Those younger children may need parental assistance, but the bricks go together well enough that small hands can do most of the work. The only thing we didn't like was the 4 builds were either unidentified or just bland. We don't think those 4 duds are reason enough to pass up this kit though. The other issue with this kit is you can't really reuse it. We had to cut the little doors open as the perforations weren't done well enough to allow easy access to the sets inside. So this is a single-use advent calendar. For its price though, that's no big loss. The individual builds can be used to build larger creations, and instructions to attempt this can be found on the back of each set of instructions. But to do this, you would have to empty the entire kit and open every bag. So this would be something to attempt after Halloween is over. Would we do it again? Heck yeah, we plan to buy a whole new one next year, though we will start it a few months early to give you a chance to see the builds and perhaps order one of your own in time for October. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make one of your own Halloween brick advent calendars. If you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click that like and link in the description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced. For $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 could help you decide what to love building next. Let's talk about Temu for a minute. I was very skeptical, and their app is like a very nutty game show, but now I'm convinced. When was the last time Amazon gave you money back for the late arrival of your product? Yeah, never. Temu will give you money back if a product shows up late. How much back? I got $13 back on a $145 shipment that arrived 1 day late. They sell the same goods as Amazon for literally a few bucks to double digits worth of discount. Though admittedly, sometimes your goods won't arrive in a box. The app regularly gives you opportunities for discounts and even free merch, but please be careful, it's tricky at times. But once you figure out how to make it work for you, you can save a lot over what you would pay at Amazon, again for the exact same product. So think about it. Click the link in the description if you want to give it a whirl and prepare for the roller coaster ride that is the Temu app. finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.